Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge the battery on a Tineco Floor 1 vacuum. And this will be a simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have the Tineco Floor 1 vacuum, and I also have the charging base unit, okay? I'm going to show you how to charge the battery because this is a battery-powered unit. It is rechargeable, so you charge it, and then with the battery charge, you can just go and use it all around your home or your business or whatever area you want to vacuum and mop, okay? So basically, I have the charging unit right here. The charging unit is plugged in, so you can see right up here, it is plugged into a wall outlet. I'll just pan it up with the camera for a moment. You can see it's plugged in over there. So I have the charging unit plugged in properly, okay? Now on the charging unit, there's an area right over here that basically, this area at the back that sticks up, okay? This area over here that sticks up, that is what connects onto, or I should say, that is what the vacuum connects onto. So if you look at the back of the vacuum, okay, over here, this part right here, okay, at the bottom, that part connects with this part. So this area right here, you can see is the same size roughly as this thing right here. And essentially, you're going to lift the vacuum and you're going to place it down on top of the charging base. And you want the charging part to go over here. You see the bottom of this little area right here? You want this part to connect with this part over here. So I'll show you exactly what it looks like, okay? This is the way it's going to be. You can see right here. This is the front of the vacuum, and this is the front of the charging base. Okay? The back of the vacuum is the part that I showed you, and that is where the connection part happens, along with the back of the charging base. So I'm going to lift up the vacuum, and I'm lining it up so that this part over here goes on top of this part here. Now there's like an upper part and a lower part of it. You're not putting it on top of the upper part, you're putting it basically on the lower part. There's a little, just like a little slot, if you can imagine. You want to slide it in that little slot right there. So just like this, I'm going to place it down like this.
Charging has commenced.
And you can
detecting whether to run self-cleaning cycle.
And you can see.
Please begin self-cleaning cycle.
No problem, no problem. No, shh. I'm talking. Enough. Anyways, that's how to charge it. It is actually that simple. It is so simple. And you know, I was looking, I was like, give it a second. Shh. I'm talking. That's enough. Enough from you, okay? Enough. I'm just joking. I actually didn't put it fully down the first time, which is why the screen wasn't lighting up. So,
please clean dirty water tank.
Enough. Anyways, I didn't put it fully down the first time, which is why the screen wasn't lighting up. But as you can see, you'll know it's charging because the screen up here shows the percentage of charge. Okay? So I'll lift it off again. And I'll show you, we'll do it one more time. I'm going to place it down properly. So you can see over here, I'm going to place it down properly, the way I showed you before. But properly. It's lined up nicely. And the screen up here is telling me what percentage of a charge I have. And that is basically how to charge the battery. It's that simple. First time I did it, it was on an angle. It wasn't fully seated properly. Now, the next times that I did it, it was seated properly. It's lit. Oh! Enough! I'm trying to have a conversation here with the camera. Anyways, I'm just joking. Anyways, yeah, that's how to charge it. It's that simple. The next few times that I did it, okay, enough. The next couple of times that I did it properly. The first time I showed you, it was a little bit on an angle, but then the next times that I did it, it has been seated properly. And that's truly it. It's really not hard to do, but I just want to really do my best to show you exactly how to do it, like absolutely the right way. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you found it a little bit entertaining, me having a conversation with a vacuum. Anyways, yeah, I truly hope that you enjoyed it in as many ways as you possibly could. And that is truly it. I've got nothing else to say. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.